How are you? I hope that you will fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school is situated in Gola Bazar. On last day, we have learned different topics that were understanding multiplication, numbers up to 999, and understanding multiplication. We have learned multiplying by 2, doubles, multiplying by 5, multiplying by 10, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1, and storations. And after that, we have learned numbers up to 999. In this topic, we have to know forming numbers up to 999, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, and after that, chapter 6 was addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. In this topic, we have learned adding 2-digit numbers, adding 3-digit numbers, and subtracting bigger numbers, and story sums also. Now, from tomorrow, we have to study more on multiplication, and now we are revising numbers up to 200, and we have revised it numbers up to 200, reading numbers, place value, expanded form of numbers, comparing numbers, ordering number, even number, odd numbers, ordinal number. And we are revising chapter 2. And this in topic 2, in second exercise, we have to learn adding 2-digit numbers, adding 3 2-digit numbers, story sums, addition with regrouping, adding more than 2 numbers, and order of addition. And that is maths lab activity that is given in your book. How we have to do it, do this activity. Let's start. To play with addition. The aim of this activity is to play with addition. What you have need? You will need black and white carom coins. You have need black and white carom coins which play with carom. We play carom with it, and these are black and white carom coins. 2 buttons of different colors, and you have to need 2 buttons of different colors and a grid of random numbers. And also you have to need a grid of random numbers. In this grid, the numbers can be in random form. Here and here can be the number be presented. So you will need black and white carom coins, 2 buttons of different colors, a grid of random numbers. How we have to this activity, how we can perform this activity. So let's start. In step first, you have to play the game in pairs. Firstly, the rule is you have to play the game in pairs, and player A plays with black carom coins and player B with white carom coins. That means player A plays with black carom coins and player B with white carom coins. In second step, you have to place the buttons between the 2 players. You have to place the buttons between the 2 players, that player A and player B, that you have to place the buttons between the 2 players, that are player A and player B. In third step, player A places 2 buttons over any 2 numbers on the number grid. For example, over the numbers 4 and 5. Player A places 2 buttons over any 2 numbers on the number grid. For example, over the numbers 4 and 5. And after that, in fourth step, player B adds the 2 numbers and places a white carom coin over their sum. And after that, in fourth step, player B adds the 2 numbers and places a white carom coin over their sum. Here it will be on 9, as 4 plus 5 equal 9. In fifth step, next player B picks up 1 button and moves it to another number on the number grid. In fifth step, next player B picks up 1 button and moves it to another number on the number grid. In sixth step, player A adds the 2 new numbers and places a black carom coin on their sum. Player A adds the 2 new numbers and places a black carom coin on their sum. And the 2 players take turns to move the buttons and the numbers and place their coins on the number grid. They do this till one of the players covers a complete line of numbers horizontally or vertically. The player with the most line covered is the winner. The 2 players takes turn to move the buttons and the numbers and place their coins on the number grid. They do this till one of the players covers a complete line of numbers horizontally or vertically. The player with the most line covered is the winner. What is the rules of this activity? You can place buttons only on numbers whose sum is present on the number grid. You can place buttons only on numbers whose sum is present on the number grid, otherwise you lose a turn. And second, you cannot place more than one coin or button on a number. You cannot place more than one coin or button on a number. And if you place a coin on a wrong number, you lose a turn. So come on, mental maths exercise, that is next exercise of this chapter after the maths activity. So let's start. Use the number grid. Use the number grid to add. You can see here that a number grid is given here. So use the number grid to add. As example, 34 plus 12. You know that 12 is made from 10 plus 2. And go to 34, move one box down, plus 10 to 44. From 44, move two boxes forwards, plus 2. So 44, 45, 46. So 34 plus 12 is the same as 34 plus 10 plus 2 equal 46. So let's come on question. 62 plus 25. 62 plus 25, that is 62 plus 25, that is 87. So 62 plus 25, that is equal to 62 plus 20 plus 5. So go to 62, move 5 boxes down plus 10 to 44. Okay, so 62 plus 25, that is 87. Second is 19 plus 24, 9 4 13, 2 1 3 1 4. That is 9 4 13, 2 1 3 1 4, that is 49. So next is third, 21 plus 48, 1 8 9 2 4 6, that is 69. Question number 4, 36 plus 51, 6 1 7 and 5 3 8, that is also 87. Question number 5, 35 plus 25, 5 5 10 0 and 5 3 2 5 and 1 6, that is 60. 6 73 plus 16, 6 3 9, 7 1 8, that is 89. And now in second, in B, question number B, add the numbers in the squares to fill in the circles. Add the numbers in the square. The number which are in the square you have to add and write in the circle. So 4 9 6 are here. So 4 plus 9 13 and 13 6 19. So you have to write 13 in circle first. Second question, 6 3 7, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 7 16. So you have to write in circle 16. Question number third, 5 5 7, 5 5 10, 10 7 17. So you have to write 17 in circle. Question number 4, 4 6 5, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15. So you have to write 15 in circle. Question number 5, 8 to 10, 10 6 16. So you have to write 16 in circle. Question number 6, 5 5 5. So 5 5 10, 5 15. So you have to write 15 in the circle. Question number 7, 7 1 9, 7 1 8, 8 9 17. So you have to write 17 in the circle. Question number 8, 9 to 8, 9 to 11, 11 8 19. So you have to write 19 in the circle. Come on, worksheet. Color the apple if the sum is more than 50. Color the apple if the sum is less than 50. Color the apple red if sum is greater than more than 50, then you have to color the apples from red, and if the sum is less than 50, then you have to color the apple from green. So 26 plus 34, 6 4 10 0, 1 carry, 2 3 5 1 6, so that is 60. So we have to color this apple from green. Second, 32 plus 48, 2 8 10 0, 3 4 7 1 8, that is 80. So you have to also color this apple from green. Question number third, 3 7 10 0 1 1 2 1 3, that is 30. So you have to color this apple from red. Question number fourth, 21 plus 49, 9 1 10 0, 2 4 6 6 1 7, so that is 70. So you have to color this apple from green. Question number 5, 5 6 11 1 4 1 5, so that is 51. So you have to color this apple from green. Question number 6, 39 plus 23, 9, 3, 12, 2, 1 carry, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. So that is 62. So you have to color this apple from green. Question number 7, 25 plus 23, 5, 3, 8, 2, 2, 4. So that is 48. So you have to color this apple from red. Question number 8, 38 plus 9, 8, 9, 17, 7, 1 carry, 3, 1, 4. So that is 47. So you have to color this apple from red. Question number 9, 5, 6, 11, 1 and 1 carry, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. So that is 71. So you have to color this apple from green. Question number B, add to find the values of each word. So for C there is 1, for L there is 2, for I there is 3, for M there is 4, for A 5, for T for 6, for A 7. So first is M, me. So for M 4 and for A 7. So 4 plus 7, 11. Now MAT. The number for M is 4 and the number is A for 5 and the number is T for 6. So 4, 5, 9, 9, 6, 15. So in second there will be 15. Question number 3, ATE. So for A there is 5 and for T there is 6 and for E there is 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 5 plus 6, 11, 11, 7, 18. So in third there will be 18. Fourth, LATE, late. For L there is 2 and for A 5, for T 6 and for E 7. So 2, 5, 7, 7, 6, 13, 13, 7, 20. So in fourth there will be 20. Question number 5, time, TIME, time. For T there is 6 and for I there is 3 and for M there is 4 and for E there is 7. So 6, 3, 9, 9, 4, 13, 13 and 7, 20. So in fifth there will be 20. Thank you. You have to do mental maths and math lab activity and worksheet. Thank you.